Shri Gurubhyo Namaga children, welcome to our online teaching academy Ekkalaiva. Today I am going to discuss in miscellaneous exercise question number 34. Integral 1 to 3 1 divided by x square into x plus 1 dx equal to 2 by 3 plus log of 2 by 3. Prove that, right? Prove that. Now, the given integrand we cannot integrate directly. We are going to adopt partial fraction. Partial fraction in the sense the denominator can be factorized. Then it is a repeated roots. We can write it as a by plus b by plus c by. Partial fraction I said, right? Integral 1 to 3 left side. Integral 1 to 3 1 by x square into x plus 1 into dx equal to left side I took LHS equal to, this is my LHS. I am going to consider the function alone separately. Consider 1 by x square into x plus 1 equal to a by x, here repeated root, so a by x plus b by x square plus c by x plus 1. Here we are using partial fraction. When you add partial fraction only, we can integrate we are going to prove the result, right? The given integrand can be integrated and at the end we are going to prove the result. Now you see 1 by x square into x plus 1, that is our LHS equal to. The right side I am going to take it as a LCM. So what can I get, you see? AX plus AX into x plus 1 plus b into x plus 1 plus c into x square. Which are the things are missing? That you have to find out and multiply your numerator. Now, we are going to equate the coefficient of x square, x and constant on both the sides. Equating the coefficient of x square, x and constant terms. Now, x square coefficient, what is there in the left side? No. So, that is 0. Right side, a plus c. Next, when you equate the coefficient of x, the left side no term 0, the right side a plus b. When you equate the constant 1 equal to b, 1 in the left side, b in the right side, b equal to 1. Now, equation number 1, equation number 2, this is our 3. Substitute b equal to 1 in equation 2. then a equal to minus 1. A equal to minus 1. Then substitute a equal to minus 1 in equation 1. You arrive c is equal to 1. Got it, children? C is equal to 1. A equal to minus 1. B equal to 1. Now we are going to replace A, B, C in terms of numerical value. After that we can integrate easily. Now integral 1 to 3 dx divided by x square into x plus 1 equal to integral 1 to 3. A is minus 1. So minus 1 by x. B is plus 1 by x square. C is also plus 1 by x plus 1 into dx, which is equal to, we are going to integrate. What is the integration of dx by x? Log x, right? Minus log of modulus x plus, here you see you are going to shift x power 2 to the numerator. So what can you arrive? X power minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus log of modulus x plus 1. Limit 1 to 3. That is upper limit as 3, lower limit is 1. Now minus log of modulus x minus 1 by x plus log of modulus x plus 1. 1, 2, 3. See here, it is equal to log of modulus x plus 1 divided by x. Shall I write, children? See here, log a minus log b can be written as log of a by b. The limit is 1 to 3 minus 1 by x. The limit is 1 to 3. Right? Log I combined. Now lower limit and then upper limit. See here, log of 4 by 3 minus log of 2 by 1 minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Now log a minus log b. Again the same concept, log a by b. Log a by b. So how will you write? 4 by 3 divided by 2 by 1 minus 3, that is 2 by 3. You have to take LCM. Then here you see 2 cancel, which is equal to log of 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. That only they are expecting to prove, that we proved at the end. Now I equal to log of 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. Hence proved. Hence proved. Thank you. Once again I will repeat the sum. You have to listen carefully, children. Sorry. See here, the given integral is a dx divided by x square plus x plus 1 equal to 2 by 3 plus log of 2 by 3 you want to prove. The given integrand we cannot integrate directly. You are going to adapt partial fraction. When you adapt partial fraction only you can integrate and you will arrive the result of RHS what it has given in the question. Now, I took partial fraction, right? X square and x plus 1. Both are factorized. So, directly we can write the x square. Here root factors are repeated. So, you can write it as a by x plus b by x square plus c by x plus 1. Now, I took LCM in the right side. I arrived the format as ax into x plus 1 plus b into x plus 1 plus c into x square. Right? Then the next line, equating the coefficient of x square, x and constant term I have written. Now, coefficient of x square in the left side, no, so 0. In the right side, a plus c. The same way, coefficient of x is nil in the left side, I consider as 0, which is equal to right side a plus b. Coefficient of constant equal to 1, the right side b. That I have substituted in equation 1 and 2. I arrived the result of a and c. Then we enter into the integral. A, b, c can be replaced by the numerical value what we got it. That is minus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now minus log modulus x plus x power minus 1 by minus 1 plus log modulus x plus 1. The first and the third I combined and I wrote it as log of a by b format minus 1 by x. The algebra I written as separately. Now log 4 by 3 minus log 2 minus of 1 minus 3 minus 1 upper limit minus lower limit. Then again log a minus log b, log a by b minus of minus 2 by 3, then log of 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3. What it has given already in the question that we arrived at the end. Hence, prove. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.